Nifty little stretch. 8%. 9. 10. 11. 12. Bloody hell. Getting down the granny gears. Feels hot. Thirteen, 14. Oh, that was half, 3/4 K, minimum 9, maximum 14. Covered in sweat. Hard yakka. We're heading over there. Can't see Georgia at all. Crappy road, as usual. Pity about the back pain. Some of the switchbacks have been 11%ers. %11 again. The bull. He's a big one. There they are. They haven't got bells though. What a grind. We give the back a break. Back braking, yeah. This is the sort of switchbacks we're contending with. You can see the gradients. 10, 12%. And I'm like around here. 9Ks of it. Oh yeah, and we worry about the corkscrew. Give me a break. What do you reckon, Frank? A lot harder than Gamaraka, pal. Let's keep going. Well, there I am. Yeah. It it's still a little bit further. Signore, quanto più per alla cima?
Si arriva al rifugio qui, c'è un rifugio.
Quanto distanza? Vicinissimo. Oh, good. Bel panino, yeah. I'll have one of those. He's got his Cannondale mono-shock, mono-fork mountain bike.
The best bike this is.
No, it's not Italian. It's got to be Italian to be the best.
Italian?
Io?
Italian bike?
Italian bikes are the best.
Ah, yes, yes.
Anche se sono fatte in Taiwan.
Esatto.
Ma che strada brutta.
Questa?
Terrible, yeah. Fa la salita anche più dura.
Esatto.
Yeah, I just said that how bad this road is making the climb even tougher. He said that the refugio is a little bit up ahead, further up here. Which, I think it's up here. I'm gonna have to get up there. Okay. I'm gonna have to go for the super granny gear. Nah, I reckon I can do it on this one. But hang on. Go wait for. I'm hoping Giorgio's going to turn up. Oh Jesus! It's swing it round again. Build up a bit of speed. I need a band-aid for my finger. Damn it! It's coming off. Here we go. Alright. I don't know what percentage it is. It's not reading on the Garmin at the moment. Bloody hell. This is no friggin' joke. Hello. Oh. I assume I'm allowed to go up here. Oop. Oh. And now try and finish. Yeah. Finally got up here. Whoa. Bloody rough stuff. What's this, a chopper pad? Wow. Have a look at this. He's got his beer. Check this out. Have a look at this. Yeah, they are like the Dolomites. Pity about the cloud, bloody clouds. Geez, we've come up a long way. We've done 1,253 meters of climbing in 45 k's. Not bad. I might put my shoes, covers on, and wait from here.